Hello, my name is Andrei Sergeyev, and I am the founder of 3DVisNPrint. 3D printing and scanning is our specialty, our business, and our vision for future world distributed manufacturing. Currently located in Moline, Illinois, we are a small domestic 3D printing and scanning service. Our company provides prototypes of small batch manufacturing solutions to a variety of customers, ranging from model rocket enthusiasts and engineers to musicians and athletes. Simply submit your order online, let us quote and print your order, and enjoy free 2-day shipping. Unlike many 3D printing suppliers who take a hands-off approach with their customers, we offer free engineering consultations for anyone requesting our services. A real engineer will guide you to modify your geometry for better aesthetics, function, and printability. We also offer exceptional 3D scanning services to aid in design and artistic projects. Now we need your help. With the combination of state-of-the-art equipment and the funding necessary to advertise our brand, we can start to pick at the tip of the iceberg that is our distributed manufacturing mission. By taking our business to the next level, we would give back to our community by organizing STEM-based 3D printing workshops for future engineers. Our customers have come to rely on the quality of our prints, our engineering and consultation services, and lightning-fast shipping rates. We would be honored to win the FedEx Small Business Grant and hope that you can place the same confidence in 3DVisNPrint as our customers do. Thank you for this opportunity.